Oh man, this has been a
exhilarating ride.
we haven't even started yet.
It's
लंबा है भाई.
it's 111. Look at this.
111 is angel numbers.
Angel
Okay,
numbers.
yes, we can start.
It is 111. It is
Let's go. This was
111.
meant to be.
January
Bro. This
5th.
was fucking.
It's not even the thing.
It is the thing. It's 111.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
111 aren't the numbers, right?
It's 111. It's an angel
111.
number.
It is an angel number.
They just have to be the same digits. That's
Yeah.
all.
Okay.
Because the people who like believe in this, they can only understand one digit at a time.
One,
So they
one,
just
one.
want as many of that as they can
Repetition.
get. Yeah.
And what's the devil's number then?
Devil's
333.
number is like pi.
Pi.
It's complicated.
Okay. Are there any specific numbers?
Pi.
Pi क्या है? मैं भूल गया भाई.
3.14.
3.14.
Why the
2.1
fuck?
बोला है?
Just say
Why, so
This
why
guy
can't
said
you-
22.7.
no. That's the.
I know, but 3.1
But
पर
why
बोल
can't
देना.
you just say like 3.14?
It's a pi.
So the cool kids were saying, bro.
What?
You have to be. If you were cool, you'd say pi. I think.
What?
It's like how
People who
how,
are
like, kids
using
say
pi
riz
in
and
their
stuff.
daily lives are losers, dude.
Wait, huh? We are having a live lighting change.
As we speak. Should we
First off,
give
it's-
context of the first episode of this year?
Fuck it, bro. you were saying angel numbers.
Angel numbers, yes. So, what? Yeah, that's it, bro. Angel numbers are just the same digit.
Any same numbers.
Yeah, and that's when you manifest things.
What is our take on angel numbers? Do we like them? Do we?
Yeah,
don't?
yeah. We love them.
How does it affect
Like,
your
do you
life?
do you look at a 1111 and do you feel happy inside?
I make
You
a
do
wish.
make a wish, right?
You make a wish, huh?
Yeah.
I used to
A girl told me.
be like, what is this shit? Like,
I liked her, so I was like, okay. ये सब करते हैं भाई.
Forgotten that you're speaking.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
I was saying at first I used to think it's very stupid. What the fuck? Like, why do you believe in this?
Yeah.
क्या होता है इससे? मतलब what the like what?
Get laid.
And then I realized, yes, that's one of the things. Second thing is like, fuck. Like if she cares about this and it makes her happy,
Yeah.
that's just helping me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you start messaging her at those hours.
No,
No,
that's
like,
just you
if
fucking
you're excited about it, I'd be like-
fucking creep this guy.
Good. Like crazy. It's good that this happened.
But like, how impactful is it though? Like, if let's say if I were to utilize this 1111 once, okay, like. Imagine you had like this full day shit only with this person, but then you're like, hey, dekh, like 11, and then does everything like go back to being normal, or like how does
Honestly, yes.
it work? Really?
Yeah.
Like I could piss her off throughout the
Why did you
day.
look behind? He's like, is she there? Yes.
Undertaker.
I'm just going through something, okay? I've had a long week.
Same.
I'm seeing shit.
पीछे देख रहा है भाई अभी भी वो. नीचे भी देख ले.
No, for real, bro.
Pasha, the mic's on.
It's on, it's on. The cameras are on, right? Yeah. We've been told they're on. So. And the lights are also.
First episode of the year. Happy New Year.
Happy
Yeah.
New Year, man.
Yeah.
H and Y.
Why would you just get up for no reason?
You took 2 seconds.
New Year, same old gay story.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Happy New Year, guys.
Yeah.
Do you all have any? Let's do the cliche. Do you all have any like New Year resolutions that you have in place?
That's a good question. That's a good question. No, we're not doing this. We're not doing this again.
Did we do it last year?
We did it last year. Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyway.
No, before we talk about the New Year, let's talk
about the ending of our
let's talk
old
about
year.
the past.
Yeah.
Let's dwell in the past.
Yeah, because that's what we are now. Has-beens.
ये कल के लौंडे.
We used to be cool once upon a time.
Yeah.
Now,
But why do you say that? Why
I don't
you
know.
don't think?
I don't know, man. I think,
I feel like we aren't cool anymore.
we've fallen off, I think, a bit. But it's okay. I like us here only. I wasn't enjoying like being famous and all.
Yeah. We like doing our own shit.
Yeah.
It's more fun.
Yeah, bro, that's the thing. Like, we used to do boys episodes and have fun. Then we started doing better and start talking to guests and all. Then we stopped doing boys episodes and we all got miserable.
Yeah, man.
So we were like, you know what, let's do that again.
And I'm glad that we are doing it. And I look forward to doing it a lot more.
Now who's gaying it up?
Okay.
And I look forward to doing it a lot more.
He influenced me.
What? How did he influence you from there?
I'm sitting all the way here.
His bright blue shirt and silver necklace.
He caught gay from Stewie.
The necklace, yeah. Yeah, so see.
Oh, man, it's a nice necklace.
It's a nice. What is it? It's the evil eye thing.
Yeah.
The evil eye thing.
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा है
If you go out wearing this, you are safe.
From?
The evil eye.
From anyone's eyes.
From all eyes.
Good thing about it
so
is it's
blue, bro.
It's small.
It's such a nice jersey, bro.
Jersey is cool. The
it's
jersey is
keeping
cool.
me awake.
Yeah.
We needed it with the day we've had.
Science joke. Blue light.
It's a science joke.
Smart. Smart.
It's because of the app that he's downloaded. I love how this
Word
conversation
every
has had no structure.
Yeah, that's
okay,
like our
bro.
lives.
I'm
Timestamp
gonna title this episode the episode that never started.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. That's
and
a good
from the silence at the start to wherever this goes.
Yeah.
Anyway, first episode of the year,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and it's good. It's good that it's us doing it.
Yeah.
We've had a crazy past week. We finally did our first trip together.
First
First
trip
trip to
ever
Goa. Yeah.
Was a big
First trip
landmark.
of all four of us going
Yeah.
out together.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many years?
New Year, same old story.
No, I was trying to think of what combinations have we done trips in.
Trip combinations. We've done.
These two have done.
सारे हुए हैं
Me
अभी,
and
I
Am
think.
have
Yeah.
done.
We both have
We've done
done.
couple threesome. This was the first.
Foursome.
Foursome.
Yeah, proper orgy in there.
Yeah.
6 dudes.
Oh yeah, we were 6 dudes everywhere we were walking, bro.
Yeah.
They weren't giving us entry also.
Never a good thing.
Hey, we got entry everywhere.
6 dudes is 2 dudes too many.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4 is a good group.
What is 4?
2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good. 5 is like.
5 is like you're pushing it.
Mm.
Yeah.
But then 4, would you do 4 guys and 4 girls? Like, is that the ideal
Fuck
thing?
no.
No girls.
No.
We
No,
don't like-
girls are good.
Come on.
I like the girls sometimes.
Everyone likes women.
No, there has to
Extra cover कर रहा है भाई वो. Everyone.
2 couples are good. Plus like उसके ऊपर 2-3 stags.
By
can do.
2 couples and 2 guys.
2 couples, 3 stags.
They're just gaying it up, bro.
That's the dream.
Because the two guys can hang out, like go somewhere and chill.
So just go by yourself.
I enjoy going out.
I don't know what I'm saying.
नहीं, I actually enjoy going out alone. I like it. मेरे को तो मजा आता है भाई.
Do you go out alone?
किधर
you
गया
go out
था तू
often?
अकेले?
गोवा में तो नहीं गया. गोवा में तो तुम्हारे साथ ही था. But in general, I'm saying.
Yeah, bro. We did Goa. Goa is I think that's the first good boys trip.
Good boys trip.
Good boy. We were good boys.
We
We were
bad
all good boys.
I was a
Yeah.
good boy, dude.
Sure.
I feel like we didn't.
You remember Juna? Arey, not the name. Let's bleep the name. So people don't know where we went.
What a beautiful
What?
place, man.
Anjuna?
Yeah, Anjuna.
Anjuna.
We did go to Anjuna.
Yeah.
We went to Chapora also.
You guys are in there, bro, and we both went to Chapura later on.
What do you guys
happened?
do?
Did anything interesting happen?
They're just these hippies.
Yeah, bro. Chapora is kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Like, anything can happen at any point. Like I was walking and this bald woman with a cape like that.
Cape?
White
Yeah,
bald
like-
woman.
Or a hoodie.
Hoodie,
Yeah.
like a black
Like
on
this,
black on
green
black.
eyes.
Green eyes.
Yeah.
She was a mutant.
She was like Assassin's Creed. She came like this.
Charles Xavier under there.
She said something. She murmured something. I was like, what? And I went closer. She's like, I need your protection for a minute.
Oh, bhai.
Made the word
Serious
for
हो
you,
गया
I
भाई.
left.
And
This is
then
where this is the real
as she
shit.
said
happened.
this,
This
and I
actually
was
happened.
like,
Somebody's.
and then she walked a bit further. She got hit by a, she got hit by a
What? She got hit by a bus.
bike.
Bike.
Like that revolving door.
She really did need protection, man. This old lady.
Walking in whatever direction she was left in.
She was just high as fuck, bro.
Like she
What if those
turned
guys
2-3
are?
times and then she just started walking in a different direction.
It's like a cartoon.
बेचारी को मदद कर
Wait,
देता
once
भाई.
were these bike people attacking this woman?
No, they were just the
it was an
normal
accident.
bikers.
But she was just walking in the middle of the road.
She bumped into them. And then she just turned around and left.
उसको दूसरे direction
And
में
then
ढकला. Start
we were
walking in
like-
that direction.
हाँ भाई गांड फट गए. We were like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Chapora.
Then
You
we
didn't
went
follow?
and we had shawarma.
क्या हो रहा है भाई? क्या हो रहा है?
And then when we were eating shawarma, there was this group of people standing around one cow just came and walked right in the middle of all of them. And all the people were touching it, saying, oh, so cute, so cute. I was like, bench.
Bro, that the shawarma shop was playing like as a crazy psytrance. And some people were like outside like, going like this and eating shawarma. All of
On the
this is happening in that one spot.
And
All
like-
this, whatever we said till now.
That's a crazy street, dude.
Chapora.
We should have hung out there more. But I had a really nice time. I hadn't been to Goa and now.
Ever.
No, he hadn't been ever. It was your first
You
time.
have a Goa virgin.
Yeah.
How was it, bro, losing your...
Oh, beautiful, bro. In the water, sunset, on the beach.
That's how you lost it?
The waves.
The old man.
No, there weren't any old men on the beach, bro.
My man.
We saw.
The beach, the waves, my man.
Yeah, why are you gaying it up for no reason?
इतना awkward हो गया.
I just went with my man. What's the problem here? हम लोग गए थे
All the
भाई.
men. All the
तुम लोग सेम चड्डी खरीद के उधर ही बीच पे खड़े थे भाई. You guys were fingering each other on the sand.
They were the same fucking fluorescent. We were in the water. We were like
We were getting hit by waves, dude.
It was like really deep, okay, inside, and then I was like, yeah.
It was really deep inside.
we don't even
Getting hit by the waves.
He went so deep.
Then you got blinded by our chatties.
Dude,
We saw you guys.
Oh man, nice.
if I didn't have my glasses on, I could see you from the shack. हम कितना पानी के अंदर थे.
That was hard, bro.
What was hard? उसका लड़. इनके लड़.
You also did.
Oh fuck, man.
पेट दुख रहा है.
Yeah, but for context, we were at this beach.
अभी दे रहा है context.
We were at this beach. Amin and I had forgotten our swim shorts.
Mm.
So we went to the nearest store to buy.
Why would you buy the same color? Why would
That's what was
We
the
thought it'd
funny
be
part
funny.
about
it
it.
look like a part of a
We're
squad?
laughing now.
And
aren't
we got like fluorescent orange shorts which says Making India Super Dry. Like I don't know why the Making India was there.
If you wear those, you will make India super dry.
They were cool. They were looking cool though.
Thank you, bro. We have a reel also. We should put that up.
Like a Baywatch reel, or
Yeah.
Spore running in slow motion.
I just had to say it, bro.
Your dicks are bouncing in like slow mo. It's just me, use.
The cocks are doing yeet. Cocks are eating.
It does that though sometimes.
Eating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
She's like a really hot girl.
It's just me. बजने लगता है गोटे के यहाँ पे.
Goa was fun, man.
It was really fun.
It was really nice.
Yeah. Man.
It's our first trip together.
Yeah. All 4 of us.
Did I say that already?
Hugo lost his Goa virginity.
Yeah.
Welcome to Goa, Singapore.
That's all Krishna kept saying to me every time we had an.
Anytime there was an experience for him to remember.
Like, come on the beach.
Come on. कुछ भी है.
Welcome to Goa, Singapore.
Yeah. We're getting something to drink. Welcome to Goa, Singapore.
It's such an iconic line. Goa.
Should have gone to that Kolwa police station
And done what?
and taken a picture.
Welcome to Goa. That would have been actually shown it that.
I like Noronas. Shout out to those guys, man.
Narona, brother.
Naronas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we want to make it like?
A popular place.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
I
pretty
mean,
popular
I-
already.
it's in
It is
Goa.
very popular, yeah.
Yeah.
And same Janta was coming every day.
But Narona's is this, for context. Narona's is
This
this
food
banging
truck.
food truck, bro. It's like this chalk of Anjuna, Vagator and all of that.
Yeah.
Jerk off.
Sure.
गाली दे रहा है उनको भाई इतने भी खराब नहीं था भाई खाना
Jerk offs.
These two jerk offs made my sandwich so bad.
They made it so well. Oh, that beef chili. No, that pork chili.
जेल भी जाएगा ये.
That pork chili.
Oh man. Good.
Such good food, man.
It was.
Why Goa is fucking crazy because food is good and
Liquor is cheap.
yeah, liquor is cheap. There's cool people out there. That's the thing.
Yeah, and there's cool. You meet cool people.
Yeah, that's
Like,
what I
yeah.
said.
Yeah, I was just reaffirming what you said.
Yeah, and
I met a lot of cool people there.
this is the first time that I spent New Year's also. Actually, second time once with family before, but that was stupid.
What?
Just say that. His parents are watching this. He's like, I spent New Year's with them. They're like, oh, so sweet. But that was stupid.
They didn't see it coming.
I mean, I was a child.
नालायक बेटे को पाला है मैंने 10 साल.
बेंचन बोला था घर छोड़ के जाना चाहिए था उसको.
I was a child, bro. And it's not like I could have done anything better.
Yeah.
What would you do?
Like, what would a child do on New Year's Eve?
क्या किया you were?
Get
Go to
drunk.
sleep at 11 o'clock.
Like, go to the club.
Getting hammered.
Go to the club.
Imagine
Kiss.
small. Small, I mean. Just drunk out there on New Year's.
Just out at the club.
Curb. Yeah, I've seen that video of that Russian kid with Gilead.
Yeah, the guy who's dancing.
Yeah.
That was me.
Yeah, you go like that in Goa.
The glasses were on.
Why do you have glasses on?
Hey, I don't know. Even you had glasses on, no? No? I don't know. It looked like everyone had glasses on. I had glasses on.
That was a cool thing to do.
I don't want to be the only idiot without glasses.
Yeah, come on. Go on, man.
Like, it's the cool thing to do. That's why everyone's
Yeah.
doing it.
We're just out there wondering why everyone's got glasses.
It's
Then Hugo took off his glasses. I was like, oh, that's why everyone has glasses.
this fucker didn't get glasses.
I was looking fucked.
देखो कुछ किसी को he was talking to some girl I think at one of the bars that we were at. He's saying something very sweetly, but he's like,
It's
That
great to
smile
meet
of
you.
yours is so beautiful.
so nice to meet you.
I did not do that. That didn't happen.
That happened, dude. That happened. Oh.
But honestly, I think one thing I learned is that you have to travel with your friends, especially. You should travel regardless, but with your friends also, if you want that relationship to like stay alive. Otherwise, how long will you be friends with someone? Like most friends, you lose touch at some point, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. No, it definitely, you have more experiences now, then you eventually end up living with this person. So in that sense,
He's keying it up again.
how is that going on?
End up living with this person.
Living with this person when I said.
That's what he said.
Did I say?
Yeah.
You said
I said the experiences end up staying with you is what I meant.
okay.
Sorry.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Because like now with me and let's say my school friends, majority of the time we're just talking about like school or like things that are related to school.
Remember when?
So then here if it's like you're replenishing your life now, there's more shit.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Like, remember that one time in Goa, like
Yeah.
in a year, someone will say.
Yeah.
And you have just more stuff to talk about. That's the best way to convince someone, huh?
कि we'll have a.
हमारी दोस्ती और तगड़ी हो
नहीं,
गई.
it'll be
Boys
a-
go out
That's a
trip.
good one.
नहीं, I'll be like, bro, it'll be a story someday. Like, I'll be like, bro, ये beer chuck करना देखते क्या होता है after you've drank all night.
देखते क्या होता है.
And then you they'll say, अरे नहीं भाई यार, bro, it'll be a story, come.
पी ले.
That neither of us will remember.
We should do more though.
We should do more.
What should we do? What all should we do this year?
Should travel.
I want to travel a
definitely.
lot.
Yeah.
So like I'm planning on doing some solo stuff also.
Solo in Goa, bhai. I'm doing one solo trip in Goa.
Solo
For
Goa.
sure, yeah.
Yeah, I want
But
to
you
go
should
Goa
go
again.
in like
I wanna go
abhi
Mango.
wale season mein only.
I'll go.
When maximum number of people are there.
I'll go next week.
So long.
I'll go for like 3 days.
But to be that's one thing that I understood is like fuck, it's a very nice goal to have. It's like let me go back and work really hard so that I can go on vacation again.
True. Yeah.
Like just
You'd
if you
prefer
keep
that
chasing that next vacation, you will be like motivated.
You'll
to
be
do
more
very
disciplined
well.
also.
Fully incentivized to
No,
work
it should
hard.
matter to you, na. It should matter to you that much. Like for some people, like at least even me, I didn't consider traveling or anything to be that important. Of late, I have been. Like I want to go see new things and meet new people. It feels good. It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It also like takes you out of. It's nice to like break the pattern a little bit once in a while. And to be honest, we can go there and work too. Like I don't see why. Like let's say
Yeah.
if I at some point end up being a successful musician or whatever, like I don't see the harm in going and like actually being there full time. Like I like the energy there. It's a lot nicer.
You're talking about Goa specifically.
Not, maybe somewhere secluded, not specifically Goa. I love the beach a lot. Like it's very therapeutic for me. And Goa is just the familiarity is there, so then I'm saying Goa. But like I don't like city life as much.
Yeah, city kind of lame.
नहीं
Not gonna lie.
Yeah. The whole trip, this guy was like dropping.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure Yugu recognized every good aspect about like,
living
just
that
being in Goa.
like coastal life, and you're just, yeah, man. It's a pretty.
Actually, I don't mind the city as much. There's things that come with a city that I don't like. But if a city had clean air, good infrastructure,
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind living there.
Yeah.
The city also has its pros, bro. Goa, you go for a week, you have a very good time, but living there is a bit challenging. As I spoke to a lot of people who were living
Stay there.
A lot of people who moved during COVID.
Yeah.
So they all were saying similar things.
I mean, if you're moving from a Mumbai to a
Yeah.
Goa, you're like going
That-
back in time.
yeah.
You don't have anything. You don't have instant delivery. You don't have cabs. You don't have visa.
But
But it's not
But these are
instant.
things I'm okay
healthcare
with
and all is also
adjusting.
quite poor
Healthcare
in
maybe
all
is
of
one.
these places. क्योंकि तू देखेगा bro, there are no medical shops only. You're driving for 10-15 minutes just to find one medical store.
Medical store is still fine, but if something goes down, you
yeah.
want to receive the best care. And
Yeah.
another thing is that people aren't as like down to do work.
They're not that driven over there.
Like things that take hours in Bombay may take days over there. So you have to be
Why
okay with that also.
उधर हवा भरने को they were saying no, bro.
Yeah.
I was taking the car. I was like, will you please fill air? They're like, no. And he has the machine right
They
there.
were sitting there, but they just didn't want to
They were
work.
just
They
be
don't
like,
give a
go
fuck,
ahead.
bro.
They're just a little laid
they're
back.
living a very slow life and they
It
don't
was
give a
the
shit.
afternoon, maybe he wasn't feeling it. He was like, no, I won't.
Yeah, even shops are shut. I think. हम भी
Yeah.
जब wine
Shops
लेने
open
गए
at
थे,
like 12.
and they shut at 2 for lunch till like evening. शाम को आओ भाई.
I love it though. I love that. I love how slow. Like
It'll be fun to go and live there for like a month.
नहीं भाई मैं
And test it out.
I feel like it'll really suit me because I move fast. So I feel like I wouldn't get really, and I feel like it's a myth when people say ki because the place is slow, which is why I'm not getting any work done there. I think that's bullshit. I feel like तेरे को
If
अगर
you
काम
want to
करना
get
ही है
a
तो
work
तू
done,
कर डालेगा.
Definitely, maybe a few months a year also, not just one. Like doing it 3 months a year, 4 months a year, going somewhere else and living.
Yeah.
It can do. A lot of people are going to Thailand now.
Mm.
Like a lot of freelancers just go live in Thailand for months.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to like Phuket and stuff, right?
Yeah.
It's quite cheap also.
And it's
bro.
cheap as
It's
fuck,
cheap
bro.
and they like really live life.
Yeah.
So it's like for a lot of people, now if the option is there that I can do this, it would be just stupid to not do it.
Mm.
Like, what are you trying to prove by staying at one place and like, kya hai usme, there is no merit in that at all.
Mm.
So if you have the job, if you have a job that lets you do that, I think it's a very good idea to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make use of it by if you can. If you can actually travel and get your shit done at the same time.
थोड़ा ये financial scare रहता है. I think that's
That's
the
the
main
only one,
reason why
yeah.
someone
Yeah.
would not want
Yeah.
to. Otherwise, I don't see people like refusing to go see new places. Go see.
No,
go
many
do new
people just
things.
like being in their comfort zone. That's the reason why
वो
they
भी
don't
है.
like traveling. Even if they might have the money.
With traveling also, it's like you'll never run out of places to go to.
Yeah.
Hmm.
भाई अपने देश में कितने जगह है bro? Like that are even popular. They're popular for like tourists wanting to go there. You know. So imagine the number of places we've not gone.
And almost every country has those many places.
Yeah.
Maybe not as much as India.
Yeah.
India's a
India's,
big,
yeah,
it's
too.
a
है, but
huge
काफी
country.
है.
But every country will have something you can see.
If you were to travel internationally, where do you think you'd want to go?
Now,
Some of the Asian.
want to go, matlab, I
Like
would like to start with Asia.
Southeast Asia.
Southeast Asia, yeah.
Like a Vietnam.
Vietnam, Thailand,
Can
Philippines.
do Sri Lanka also.
Sri Lanka is also good.
Sri Lanka is also so cheap, bro.
Yeah.
उनका तो खराब चालू है ना.
उनके थोड़े लौड़े लग गए पर ठीक
Like
है.
that. I didn't say that. But थोड़ा दिक्कत है.
Tourism is
Europe is
poppin' though.
Europe is beautiful, bro. We should go there. I
I've
want to go
heard
to
that
Spain.
Paris is a dump yard.
Yeah, that's
What?
I don't know who.
Everyone
where
says
we,
that.
Where we heard. I
Who
think
says that?
they say
Everyone
it's
says
very
Paris
dirty.
is a dump yard.
Yeah.
Like they say it's very dirty.
Paris and New York both are
Dump yard
apparently
थोड़ा
very
ज़्यादा हो
dirty
गया शायद.
places.
Sorry to all the French
Come
people
on, man.
who watch the show.
The Parisians.
But
Europe in due time. It's not calling me yet. When it does,
Then you'll pick up.
yeah.
It's not calling me yet.
no, I feel like there is a calling always. Like you can't just. I don't see people just picking up a map and being like, "हाँ चल मैं उधर जाऊँगा." You know, there's got to be some sort of inkling inside.
Sometimes people do that.
No, but even
Like
this Goa
spin a
trip,
globe and-
we could have traveled anywhere around the country. There is a reason why we chose Goa.
Yeah. Sunburn.
Someone does happen in Goa. Yeah, the calling can be anything. Once you go there, it might be shit also.
Hey, come on, man.
नहीं but yeah it can be anything ना. You can have something in your head कि ये ऐसा होगा.
And you could be totally wrong.
Yeah, life can surprise
The
you.
water.
I love how he just picked it up and started pouring.
Like nothing happened.
ठीक है भाई.
Ashu, can you get us some tissues, please?
It's fine, भाई.
थोड़ा मेरे को physics में कम marks मिला था.
पानी था ही नहीं इसमें.
That's why I thought there's water in it. It'll go.
पानी फेर दिया पूरे इस पे.
Sorry, bro.
It's fine, no worries.
How are you saying sorry?
Then you say. You say to me now. I said to him.
ऐसे जा रहे.
हाँ, मैंने दे दिया अभी.
Sorry.
So cute. No?
I swear, that's such a cute couple.
I bumped into one guy while we were in Goa, and like we shoulder lage.
You literally bumped into him.
Yeah, and then he looked at me and he's like, he came back and he held my hand. He's like, it's good when energy passes. What? And then he walked back. He thought I was a foreigner.
Bro, at the New Year's party, I was just walking up to get water, and then. No, this wasn't even the New Year's party. This was just some other day. New Year's party, it would have been okay.
Yeah.
It was just some other day. I was walking up, and like I was on the phone, and this family is walking down. And one auntie is like walking ahead, and she, while coming, she's like, "Hey, drunkards, come walk on this side." And we weren't even drinking, bro. It was like we had gone for lunch or something. I was going to pay the bill.
Oh.
And then I was on the phone. I was like, hey, 1 second, I'll call you back. I looked at her. I was like, we'll walk on this side, but why did you assume we are drunk? Then she's like, here everyone is drunk. And she went.
बात तो सही कर रही है.
It's a great assumption to make, though.
Yeah, it's fair.
Then while leaving, she said, I'm sorry if you. I was like, no, it's fine.
We're drunk.
How sweet of her. She just...
Cheers, auntie.
It's fine.
I don't know why I got so offended over that.
Yeah. You were drinking.
I don't like being called a drunkard, I think.
Yeah, no one likes that. Who likes that?
I've seen some people.
They take
but
pride
they
in
don't.
it,
They'll take pride in being called.
Yeah. Let's go. We were discussing this when we reached the airport, Goa, coming back. So we had to give our bags for check-in and all. So that woman looks at me and she goes, how old are you? I said 26. She's like, okay, we're putting you in the emergency row ka wo. So then Amin is like, she asking her age. So I said that 26. So he's like, you should have behaved like you're drunk as fuck. So then we were just thinking, what if someone actually goes? They're like, emergency. And he goes, yeah, let's go. Emergency. Skydiving.
should try doing it also. I don't feel like cabin crew is going to
Won't let you board the flight, bro.
Why? If you're drunk, you can't board a flight.
You're not allowed to. They have the right to like.
Won't be that drunk also.
Yeah, fucking
This one
They're
time,
fucking selling us alcohol in the airport.
this one time I was, bro.
Kya?
This one time I was fucking drunk at the flight. Drunk to chhod, like cross, like
Yeah.
Everything.
I was cross.
Okay.
And then it just was like an experience.
Yeah.
Did you misbehave on the plane?
What an experience.
I was just like,
And then you reached.
and then I don't know how I reached.
He was like
I woke-
blinking and switching locations.
Yeah, it felt like that. I woke up
Jumper.
and I was like, fuck.
Even you were drunk na on this flight to go. Fucking hell, he's screaming, dude. Bencho, usko bola main.
He was
Fucking
actually
there are
that drunk, dude.
Children in the line, dude.
Which one? When we were going from Pune to Goa, I wasn't drunk, bro. I had a few drinks because I had a gig the night hours before that, and then we boarded.
That
the
was your
flight.
gig drinking.
After the gig, we drank a little.
It's okay, bro.
The best part, we both are standing in line to give our bags. And then the woman is asking him, saying, sir, do you want to like give your bag? And this guy's telling me, yo, check her out, bro. Check her out. Like the other woman started. I'm like, she's talking to you. Ask if you want to. He goes, check her out. Check her out. And this woman's like, sir, should I take your bag? Check her out. I'm like, "Arey."
Even after the third time.
And that woman just gave up, printed our passes. She's like, go. Gate number 8.
Tu bag tu hi rakh.
I was distracted by a lovely woman.
Oh, man. Good times, huh?
Check her out, masala dal raha hai.
You said that.
I said check her out, but I didn't say it so many times.
Check her out.
For Suvi to say something originally has to make it up.
Make it multiple.
Yeah, it's okay.
You were going to put on an English accent and all, you didn't do that.
No. Just because I'm wearing an England jersey.
Yeah.
It's too hot, bro, for me to think of anything.
Bye.
Not a good day to wear a jersey.
AC तेज कर दो.
हाँ भाई थोड़ा सा कर दे.
My body is all heated up
Yeah.
गरम हो गया.
from the massage.
Oh yeah. He had a nice massage.
I got a massage, bro, today.
Where? How did you? Who's that guy?
Who's that guy who touched you?
Some dude, bro, some random dude showed up and started giving me a
He
massage.
just came with that bed.
Yeah.
He just randomly came home, or what?
I put it
Yeah.
on.
Did he light some candles before?
I think he did. Yeah,
Yeah?
he did. He
Yeah.
did.
He actually did.
Yeah.
Turned off the lights.
No, lights were on.
Lights are on. Music?
Music also.
Yes.
No, it was like
It's like opera.
some piano covers of
Just
some song. Ting, 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 ting. Pehla nasha.
Okay, that one makes sense.
I was a bit suspicious.
एक सेकंड ये तो नहीं थी भाई प्लेलिस्ट मेरे टाइम पे.
Yeah, it was something weird, but it was pretty good. Massages are great, bro.
But you got a full body?
Yeah.
Okay.
Full
if you
body
can
massage.
get past the fact that it's a man touching you,
Just close your eyes.
I do it. But like you can tell
By the grip.
the touch of a man.
By
You can.
the touch of their penis. You can tell.
Yeah.
But what massage did you get?
You're like right down, thing goes in your mouth.
नहीं. हाँ, but you got a Swedish one, what?
No, deep tissue massage.
हाँ वही Swedish deep tissue.
मेरा बंदा इंडियन था.
Indian deep tissue. By Rajesh.
It's pretty.
Rajesh Bajaj.
It's pretty gay, man.
I mean, yeah.
First you have to wear one. First you
I've
gotta.
never liked anyone
I
like
don't like fucking people
Getting a
touching me.
massage.
Dude.
They
It
give
freaks
you
me
a
out.
fucking see-through.
Yeah, they give you a diaper. Give you a diaper to wear.
First thing is change into a transparent diaper.
Wait, okay, so I was sleeping when this guy's got his massage, then he's come to my room. He's all oiled up, then he's like, I'm oiled up, I'll take a bath. 5 minutes later, he comes, he's like, guys, check this out. For some reason, I thought it would be something good. It's just Amy standing in one see-through thong in my bed.
That's better than
Like this.
better
Check
than
this
seeing.
This guy, and then Krishna is like, whenever Amin says, check this out, never check it out.
It might be genitalia. गोवा में गांड दिखा रहा था वो. I'm walking up the stairs, I'm seeing his ass.
And he runs up the
And he
stairs,
runs
bro.
And the best part is, his room was downstairs.
You can't even do anything about it.
That was too funny, bro. I'll always remember his ass like just running like this.
तेरे को तो याद होगा ही भाई अच्छे से.
You just go say, God.
ये क्या हो गया भाई? We were just talking about getting a sandwich or something. Next minute his ass is out.
I just
Those are not the kind of buns we were talking about. I mean,
like that. I just skipped 10 seconds.
We should make a reel of
I felt like the trip needed some
ass. Guys needed to see some ass on this trip.
मैं करूँगा अपने भाइयों के लिए.
I will show my boys what an ass looks like.
since they can't get any of their own.
I really made an ass out of it.
And the worst part is this did happen once, it happened twice.
It happened how many times? Twice.
Next night also you did.
Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice.
Can't put the blame on you. हमसे पीछे बच्चों. Bad day to have eyesight.
Yeah, that was the highlight of my first Goa trip.
You who saw the moon in the house.
Moon landing in our villa.
Goa से सीधा चांद चले गए भाई.
तेरे को चांद दिखा था व्हाइट शायद गोवा में गांड दिखा रहा है
चांद बोल के गांड दिखा दिया
I'll get you the moon baby
Moon burn. My back. That's what I mean told Rajesh.
my sack
But how was your massage, bro? Let's go back to that.
Yeah.
Solid, bro. It's pretty good.
worked you out
Bro,
Nice.
like there, the massage was good, but he did this one thing which was new. Like he,
Hey.
you know how, like he did the massage and then he did the, you know how you do that? The light. When you're trying to convince your girl to fuck.
Rajesh was doing that.
While cuddling, like you need to pull a move. So yeah, you do that thing on her back. So he was
He
doing
started doing that to you.
like from here to niche, and then he asked me to like flip, and then he did like.
what bro that's
my-
weird I don't think they
I think he did it to
throwing
like,
up
It's disgusting picturing that.
nahi bhai but see I've gotten the most massages in this house I know for
have
a
or you
fact
haven't?
I have I know for none of them
No
have
one
done
goes. Now turn around.
not gone.
Now turn around. Yes,
So-
daddy.
at least तेल तो था क्या
हाँ, तेल था।
Oh, तो ठीक है.
नहीं नहीं तेल
Then it's
के
fine.
साथ भी
But
ठीक नहीं
then
है
what
bro.
did
I'm
it do?
telling you this is not okay
सूखा करेगा क्या?
नहीं नहीं तेल के साथ भी ठीक नहीं है now that I think about it
Go and dry.
at least was there pressure are we talking pressure or no pressure
It was that tingly shit you do, bro. Like
that
this.
English shit you don't do with your
See, I'll tell you, it didn't feel sexual. That's the thing.
yeah because you're straight
Maybe that's it.
let's say it was Tui he would have enjoyed
Because he was doing things to me that if a girl was doing, I would probably be turned on.
yeah
Nee, but this tickling shit I don't like at all. Why? That once I got a massage once, I had to wear that dirty diaper of theirs, and he lathered me in oil. I didn't ask for so much
Yeah,
oil.
don't get
boy.
l-
And then he started doing that thing. I had to tell him, please don't do this, sir. Then he had to stop. I was like, वो थोड़ा जोर से करो जो. Like ऐसा I like this shit. Bro.
He kept asking
I
me,
don't.
pressure is the pressure fine
pressure okay?
Pressure में लौड़े ठीक से करना. ऐसा. Fucking hell.
I need to get a massage, bro. All of you guys have.
yeah you're a massage version
Don't
Yeah.
buy it, sir. I
नहीं
don't.
नहीं
I
get
don't
get
like
it's
it.
very relaxing and अभी अगर तू जिम जाएगा तो it will help you
We should go to Thailand to get massages.
That Vietnamese, you showed him?
he showed me yeah
Oh, he showed.
yeah
You want massage?
I don't want that kind.
Oh boy, I give special discount.
oh you Indian boy
You very handsome.
You seen that video?
His drunk accent and tranny accent are the same.
No man, drunk is different. Drunk sounds like a Christian uncle. D'souza. You bastard.
Come here, man.
Why you ring my fanny?
yeah it is fun talking to those drunk uncles dude.
Shut up, man.
they're always like ऐसा they can't stand
It's always
still.
men, no, it's not man.
Yeah.
What man? Men.
Ek law.
We'll be those uncles.
you just can't make sense yeah. but yeah it's go it'll be a while before we turn into those
Yeah, in the meanwhile, we should go to
Goa
We literally came back 24 hours ago. Our flight has landed.
This shit sucks.
Yeah, let's go back.
I won't go back.
You know.
Yeah.
how to go.
Forget the thing I said about working.
we'll just go. Yeah.
We'll just go.
We'll
Yeah.
go. We'll go.
We make sand castles. Just be on the beach.
Next time, let's drive down.
Why?
Are you like crazy or
I
something?
remember once funny thing, bro. There was a lifeguard on the thing, whistling and shouting. And I'm going and shouting at him, "Kya आवाज क्या कर रहा है?"
He didn't know why he's screaming. He's like उसको गाली डाल रहा है bro बीच के ऊपर. I was like युगु वो उसका काम है तू इधर आ.
It's like, why is this guy shouting?
He's trying to be in a zen mode.
Yeah, I was
In the
on
water.
the beach. Yeah,
Those waves pull you in, bro. After a point.
yeah, it's beautiful.
Like, if you start leaving the water a bit too late, you might be in trouble, young man.
You're just on the edge of,
खींच रहा है
just
थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा खींच रहा है.
It's edging you. Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for killing the vibe.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Anyway, what else do you guys want to do this year?
Oh, man. I'd like to go to Goa, man. They were saying.
No, you say properly.
No, it was a joke only.
No, think now. Serious.
I'll think and I'll say.
Okay.
Are you fingering each other भाई वहाँ पे बैठ के?
क्या?
क्या कर रहे हो?
Scratching ourselves.
Oh yeah.
Why are you projecting?
Come on, man. My hands are right here.
I want to put out a lot more music. I want to perform more.
In Goa.
In Goa for sure. There'll be Konkani stuff. So Goa is great. It'll be fun.
More music.
Yeah.
More.
Just want to create more.
More life.
Create more. Live more.
Experience more.
Love more. That's it.
Who do you want to love?
Everybody. Everyone I see, I want to love them. Love them hard.
You want to make love to them.
I didn't say that.
You want to love them.
I just want to love them.
Okay.
He was making sure.
Yeah.
I will be making.
that I'm only his.
I'll be making love as well. Surely.
You want to make love this year?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you all want to get
don't you?
married this year?
To each other?
I mean, that will take some time.
There will be no marriage. I feel like
No chance.
Do you think you all want to find a partner this year to start settling down with?
Yeah, I think so.
I want
think
to
it's
find
time.
every year.
Every year.
No, it doesn't matter. Nahi, like, if it doesn't work, then I want to find. I like finding.
Sing the most retarded shit.
What do you think?
सही कह रहा हूँ.
I won't get married this year.
Married
Marriage is tough, but I think
Marriage
you
is
can,
very tough for
you can
anyone.
find that person.
I think I've found her.
Hey! Okay, boys, 3.
But I say this all the time. So.
Acknowledge her.
But I say this all the time. He's saying pen color.
Yeah, let's see if this holds till the end of the year, and then we can see if.
Yeah, I'll probably be saying this again. About the same person or the next one?
But he'll say it. अच्छी बात है, bro.
Yeah.
I like that.
What?
That is.
No, it's just that the fact that at least you want to say it shows that you're accepting of,
I have to say
the
it, bro.
goods. Oh, the what goods?
Every SI 222, I say it.
333.
I say it. Manifest that shit.
222.
Yeah, but it's good like that. Because otherwise, what? You'll be just fucking around. Fucking everyone you can. That's how it is, right?
I mean, not
I don't
really.
think so.
Maybe when we were
Yeah.
What?
19.
What?
I said maybe when we were younger.
You'd fuck
was-
anyone you can.
Not anyone you can, but you would.
Not anyone you can.
That's what you said.
Anyone who lets you.
Also that.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean-
different now though. I don't think that's the case now.
Yeah, now it's gotta be. I think everyone's gotta start looking for.
But I feel this is the year to work, bro.
तो हर साल
Work
करना है
more like.
I'm not looking.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone should actively look. This is a stupid thing to do. Just do whatever you're doing.
Okay,
You'll end
but
up
you
meeting
put
someone.
yourself in places where you can meet.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, you can't sit at home and be like, oh,
Yeah, be open to life.
why am I not getting
So
laid?
that's what, like, if you do experiences, bro, if you're doing experiences, there's no way you won't meet anyone.
Yeah, I'm going to the library, bro, this year.
Library में बात नहीं कर सकते.
So we'll get
देख
coffee.
सकते हैं सिर्फ.
Get coffee and sit in silence
Yeah.
in the library.
Or you're trying to pick up nerds.
No, but we've spoken
I
about
like
this,
nerds.
right? Like, the mother of my children is probably not at a club right now. She's probably just chilling, you know,
What is she
sleeping
doing?
early.
What is she doing? What
She's
is
probably
she
like, she's probably like,
No, tell now, where is she?
she is potentially at home, asleep by like 11:30.
She doesn't do anything. She doesn't go.
She goes, I'm so curious, क्या बोल रहा?
Oh my days. The we can't say it.
We
bro.
can't say that.
The thing he said in my ear right now.
Say no, tell
Yeah,
me. Tell
what the
me.
fuck?
Look at him, bro. He's losing it.
We'll get arrested, I think.
Why the fuck would you get arrested?
Huh?
It's too hot, bro.
AC तेज कर दूँगी.
कर दे भाई. He keeps saying this and he doesn't make it.
अरे लौड़े अभी
It's like
18 हो गया है
Shad
भाई.
Thakur.
It's fucking 18.
It is on it.
You fuckers should sit here, bro. It gets cold. Fucking
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh man. So what's she doing?
Yeah, what is she doing right now?
Yeah, I said she's probably like asleep by now. Yeah.
Like, has she come?
They're really holding
Has she,
back.
no,
bro.
wait. I'll push it up. Has she like come back home from somewhere?
Does she already have kids?
She's probably. Does she have kids? No. What the fuck? No. She's probably like come back from work or something and she's chilling.
From work.
Okay, work,
Yeah.
work.
And she doesn't. She's not
Come
a
back.
social bee. She just hangs out with you.
Why are you saying it's okay? Social B.
I'm trying to take an interest in his love life.
Asleep.
Yeah, probably asleep.
Next to her loving boyfriend.
Hey.
Who I hate.
Who is
Who will
somewhat
be dead soon.
who is somewhat of a barrier in our relationship right now, but a thorn in our
In a rose.
yeah.
Bro,
In our rows.
some kids didn't know that for someone to be your girlfriend, you have to ask them.
Mm.
So they would just announce that this is my girlfriend. Like they've probably never met.
But who would they announce it to?
They'll tell their friends.
Okay.
We're manifesting.
Yeah.
This is my girlfriend.
Like some kids in my school
Mm.
would like, oh, my girlfriend.
And then, and
उसको
then
कुछ पता भी नहीं कौन है.
She doesn't even know he exists.
Yeah, it's just like, so we are not allowed to like her.
oh, okay. So
Oh,
he's
so-
just like
He's
made a reservation.
She's like peeing around her.
made a reservation.
Yeah, means only he can hit on her.
Yeah.
He's taking
the way,
out
The way
potential-
he would say it is like, oh, my girlfriend. Like he would say it.
हाँ. And you should say कि say like
He was
go talk to
manifesting
her.
Probably.
Did she have a say in this?
She didn't even know.
She didn't
She
even
didn't know na, what's happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But did it work? Did it like stop people from going and actually talking to them?
I don't know, man. I wasn't checking.
You didn't follow up
Yeah.
with their relationship.
Yeah, I didn't expect follow-up questions to this anecdote. Sorry.
I thought there was more coming.
And today they are married.
That would have been a good ending to
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Let's make it up.
Some
Yeah.
kids in my school were married.
Huh?
What? इसको follow up दे सकते हैं.
नहीं वरना ये भी छोड़ दे.
It was a weird school, bro.
Just saying random things. Okay.
How old
Like
were they?
actually they were older.
Like we'd hear randomly, like some kid from our class has gotten married. She won't come to school tomorrow onwards. She's married.
Damn.
We never really questioned it. We were like, okay,
How as a kid why would you?
Congratulations.
what the fuck do you say?
Were there pregnancy scares in your school? Like you heard कि some
None
girl.
in mine.
The teachers.
All boys school. Yeah. ठीक है. You're out of this. What about you?
No follow-up questions.
The Maushis used to have pregnancy scans in their school.
If there were, there's something up, bro. with your school. हमारे इसमें था भाई एक लड़की का.
बात कर रहा है.
Yeah, and then she didn't come to school for a while.
Till she.
नहीं, she
Gave
just
birth.
she left the school. She never came back to school.
That's sad. वो थोड़ा उसका.
How old were y'all?
We were in like 7th, 8th, I think, and that girl was in 10th. जिसका हमने सुना था कि.
In my school, I don't
girls.
think anyone was having sex at till 10th
10वीं में क्या
standard.
कर रहे हैं भाई?
हाँ वही.
10th में.
Everyone later I think starts no. Nowadays it's become less. I think the age of when people end up losing their virginity.
I don't know anything about that.
Even I don't know. Even I
I
don't
would
know.
like to.
Keep it that way.
I would like to.
I've read reports.
Withdraw
I've read-
myself from this conversation.
I read reports.
You sit and read reports.
On when people are losing their virginity.
I steal them from the hospitals.
This is going south.
Yeah,
On
let's.
us.
I think let's call it.
Let's call it before we fucking.
Before we go to jail.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Yeah, what the fuck was this?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Subscribe.
Unsubscribe
Thank you.
करेंगे लोग भाई इसके बाद. ये क्या था?
I don't know.
You unsubscribes.
No idea what this episode
I'm
was.
gonna go.
I don't know if it'll go out, man.
This one,
Members.
na? Bye.
Bye.
I don't know.
We'll watch it
Members
back.
and
We'll watch it back.
Chalo. Good night.
Good.